Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting. In today video title is guys how to turn on Tecno mobile call ID announcement setting. Friends, you want to on Tecno mobile call ID announcement setting. So friends, now let's see how to turn on Tecno mobile call ID announcement setting. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to on call ID announcement in Tecno mobile. First of all guys, open your phone call setting. Friends, right tap here three dot setting option, tap here. Friends, you can check here blocked number. You have blocked any number in your Tecno mobile, so you can unblock number from here. So friends, you can see I don't have any block number. If you click here friends block call settings, so you can check your block call, you can unblock from here. Blocked SMS you can check and you can unblock. Call ID announcement setting you want to use in your Tecno mobile, tap here call ID announcement setting and you can use in your Tecno mobile call ID announcement setting. Announce caller ID, tap here always option, you can use Tecno mobile call ID announcement setting. So once you can see the caller name and number will be read out for incoming calls. Read out all of incoming calls. So like that friends, you can on call ID announcement setting. And friends, you don't want to use, so click here never option. Your announce call ID setting is off, you cannot use call ID announcement setting in your Tecno mobile. Friends, again you want to use, so you will have to on sound and vibration setting, you can on and you can use sound and vibration setting. Display option friends, if you tap here, so you can change your dialer theme, light theme, dark theme you want to use. You want to use system default theme, so you can use your system default theme also. Friends, quick response setting is also here. You want to edit your quick response, so friends you can edit your quick response. You want to edit, tap here, you can edit, you can set your custom quick response in your Tecno mobile. Example like I am busy, I am in meeting, I will talk to you later, I don't want to talk to you now, I don't have time, like that you can set here I am busy. Okay option, you can set your quick response in your Tecno mobile, your custom quick response setting you want to use, so you can set. So like that friends, you can use call setting. One by one guys I told you. Now you have any problem in your call setting, so you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye.